What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Elroy's Task. In this poker dice tutorial, I'm going to explain a few things. So, in the Paint and Learn videos, Paint and Learn does not mean like specific educational. Well, it does, but it means I'm going to teach you about my channel. That's the only educational thing about it, is I'm going to teach you about my channel. But let's get into this right now. So I got 3 jacks, a 10, and a 9. Let's roll the 10 and 9, king, and 9. 3 of a kind. Okay, 2 jacks, 2 aces, and a 10. Let's try to get that 10. Okay, we got full house. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm like shaking it, it's bouncing around my hand, and then I roll it, both of those. Ooh, I keep getting jacks somehow. Okay, let's try to get this 9 into a 10 or a jack. Shake it around, roll. Shake it around, roll. Nope, 2 pair. First roll is random. Take these. Ooh, full house. You have to watch very closely on these videos, because any movement that I make is gonna change the way that the dice roll. And these videos are not a cheat code to how you play the game. So don't watch one of my videos and think that you can instantly win poker dice, because you can't. You'd have to watch like 100 of these videos, which I don't have out. And then I think I just got full house there and then grabbed it. Rewatch that and comments, tell me if I got full house there. But you have to watch like 1,000 of my videos, which I don't have out yet, and then practice yourself. Like roll 1,000 times with poker dice and tell yourself, this is wrong, forget it. This is right, remember it. Anything above a full house is good, anything below a full house is bad. So these videos are only for people that know what poker dice is. If you don't know what poker dice is, these videos are not for you. You need to learn poker dice before you watch these videos. Okay, 3 aces. Let's try to get some. 5 aces. So that's a little shake, and push. I think. I don't think I got in that camera. Let's try to change our angle. Yeah, there we go. Wow, we're kind of again. Four of a kind, which is better than a full house. You gotta watch my movements very, very closely. The way that I grab it, the position of the dice, the way that I shake it, and the way that I let it go. All of that is important to how the dice land. The size of your hand and the way that you roll, your hands, the style of how you roll can affect how your your hand size and your style of rolling for Vicon can affect how much information I'm giving you. Like this style of rolling might not work for you if you have a different hand size and rolling style, because you're not used to this kind of rolling style. And you have different size hands, so the dice have different physics with your hand, which not as many people have as big of hands as me. Interference. Pretty good time. Yep. Okay. Okay. Oh, 4 of a kind. Okay. Y'all watch very, very closely. Okay. Watch the king. Move it up just a tiny bit. If it'll let me. Tell me if you like this angle better, a little diagonal angle instead of a straight angle. Can you see these dice here? I'll rewatch and see if you can. I took the ace because I thought that the king would be easier to get. Sometimes the highest dice isn't always the easiest to get, so you want to go for the lower dice. But that's not always the case. Sometimes it's easier to get the higher dice, sometimes it's easier to get the lower dice. But that's not 50-50. Like, right here. It's easier to get these two, the higher and lower dice, than this one. See? The middle dice. I got a full house there. Pull these back. Ooh, I got full house in one roll. That never happens. Well, that has happened once in my videos. I really wish I had one of those sticks that they use in a casino where I like pull it back and it has like a broom thing with no riffles and it pulls back the chips or dice. Even though I don't need that long of an extension, that'd be cool. Just a little mini one. Okay. That's green. Okay, 2 a pair. Four of a kind. 4 of a kind. Full house. See, I took the king and jack because I had 2 10s. It's not always easier to get the higher dice. But that doesn't really matter because poker isn't ranked by higher dice, it's ranked by how many you have. So like here, I have a queen. Actually, let's flip this. Okay, let's say I have 2 10s, and I have a jack and a queen. So I have a jack and a queen, which would be higher if you added up than 2 10s. But that's not how poker goes, because this is a pair and this is nothing. These don't add up to anything because they don't match at all. So 2 10s is bigger than a jack and a queen. Roll again. That was just a demonstration. I'm gonna roll. See, I took the ace instead of the king because I thought that the king would be easier to get, and I was wrong. Should have took the king. That was a 9. Full house. Watching everything is very important in this video. And these videos are way better than the shorts that I make. The long form videos are way better than the shorts that I make because it gives you more detail, size of the screen, and how much I'm saying. I know that you have to watch more, and I'm not explaining much about it,